In this video, we're going to talk about writing linear equations using point-slope form. In another video, I showed you how to write linear equations using slope-intercept form. So this is an alternative way to be able to do the same type of problems. All right, so I drew a line here. I want to be able to calculate what the slope of the line is going to be using these 2 points. Well, the slope is the change in y over the change in x. Multiply both sides by the denominator. And this form right here is what is called point-slope form of the line. So, point-slope form of the line is as follows. Y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1, where m is equal to the slope, and x1, y1 is a point on the line, hence the name point-slope form. Okay, so let's use the given information to write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. But again, we're going to use point-slope form. All right, so the equation then is y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1. So I'm going to replace y1 with 5, the slope with negative 4, and x1 with negative 3. So a negative times a negative there, that's a positive. I'm going to distribute the negative 4. And then I'm going to add 5. So again, I still want these equations in slope-intercept form. It's just a different way for us to get there. Again, you would want to plug in negative 3, 5 into this equation to make sure it's a true statement. Okay, let's take a look at the next example then. So now we have 2 points. So before anything else, we must calculate the slope. So the slope will be 2 minus a negative 1 divided by 7 minus 5. So here the slope is 3/2. Okay, so again, we'll use point slope. So that's y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1. So again, I will choose 7, 2. So I will replace 2 for y1, 3/2 for the slope, and 7 with x1. So I'm going to distribute the 3/2. So on the side, 3/2 times negative 7 is negative 21/2. Okay, because we have a fraction, I can multiply by 2 here. Keep in mind, I could have multiplied the previous step by 2 also. So I'll add 4. And then divide by 2. So again, you should be plugging in both of these ordered pairs into this equation to make sure they make true statements here. Okay, one other example I want to take a look at. So again, I need to be able to determine what the slope is. So that gives us 5 over negative 3. Okay, so again, we're going to use point slope. Again, it does not matter which ordered pair we use. I will choose negative 3, negative 4. So plug in negative 4 for y1, negative 5/3 for the slope, and then negative 3 for x1. Okay. Okay, this step now, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of this fraction here. So remember, I'm going to take the 3 and multiply by negative 5/3. The 3's divide out, that's negative 5. Still leave x plus 3 alone. Distribute. Subtract the 12. And divide by 3. Again, you should check both of these ordered pairs to make sure they both come out to be true statements. We're done here.